Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Draw the brown lines on the top of the cake and then surround it using the red cream like this and make these strawberries or the flowers like this. Now decorate it using white and brown cream, make its leaves like this and it's ready. Next, put the white cream like this using the spatula like this on the top of the cake. Now put the same shape as shown in the video. Draw the hat of the snowman like this. Make its eyes, mouth. Decorate the cake like this by making the Christmas tree and it's ready. Next, draw the pink color lines on the sides of the cake. Now on the bottom of the cake, draw the green lines like this. Now make a Christmas tree using the green color cream like this. Make the branch of it using brown cream and it's ready. Next, put the red color cream in the between of the cake like this. Now on the sides, put the cream like this. Make it as shown in the video. Now using the white color cream, decorate it like this. Make the sides, hands and legs of the shape as shown in the video. Now decorate it as per your choice. So here we are making a Santa Claus. Make it shoes and it's ready. Next, we will take a white color cake and then draw a line in the between and then put a red color cream like this. Draw the lines and then spread it using the spatula. After spreading it, we will put the white color cream like this. Now after that, we will make the zigzag lines on the sides of the cake. Put the cream like this in the between, make its eyes and your cake is ready. Sprinkle some white sugar on the top of the cake and it's done. Next, we will make a cute Santa Claus like this. So, take a picture of a Santa Claus and outline it like this and then refrigerate it. Put it over the cake like this and then put it like this and then color it using brown color cream. Fill it like this, make its nose, eyes, make the red color hat and your Christmas theme cake is ready. Next, put the green color cream on the sides of the cake. Put the white cream over it like this. Now, after covering it, we will spread it using the spatula. Now, draw the lines using the stick or a toothpick like this. Draw the lines very carefully. Put the pink color cream over it to make the flowers. Put the white cream as well. Decorate it by making its leaves and your cake is ready. Next, put the line on the sides of the cake like this as shown in the video. Make the frill like this. Now cover it using green color cream on the top and give the dotted sides of it like this. Make the Christmas tree, make its branch using brown color cream. Put the white cream on the top to decorate it. Decorate it like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching.